Hello everyone, welcome back to Junk Wax Investor. Hope everyone's having a great day. Just want to start things off first with a quick shout out. Breakaway Collecting is a new member to the Junk Wax family here. I recommend going and checking out his channel. I will put a link to his channel in the description below. It's a fairly new channel, let's help him get some subscribers. I like his header, Breakaway Collecting, save your money and watch me lose mine. Does some awesome modern hockey breaks, has a very good setup, real high production quality, great videos, great music, so let's go support him. Tell him that Junk Wax Investor sent you over. Alright, today we got some 1991 Fleer Ultra baseball. This was Fleer's first Ultra product, and it was their first foray into the premium brand market, trying to compete with Upper Deck and Leaf. And if you remember the 1991 Fleer base product, which is the poster child of the Junk Wax era, with its ugly yellow. I say they did it a little bit better with the Ultra product, but they kind of went too far in the other direction with the kind of bland gray borders. However, the card quality is good, the photography is good, and there's some really nice cards in here. So main things we're looking for would be Frank Thomas's second year card, Ken Griffey Jr.'s third year card, I guess, and then other Hall of Famers, obviously Nolan Ryan, and as well as the steroid stars, Barry Bonds, Roger Clemens, Jose Canseco, those guys. There's also insert set, 10 card insert set called Ultra Team, which had a nice gold background. It's actually pretty nice cards. On baseballcardpedia.com, they have the odds for the Ultra Team or Ultra Gold as 1 in 4.5 packs. So let's dig into it. Hey, we got a nice Greg Maddux card. Looks pretty sharp. Maybe a little bit of a corner issue there. Ken Griffey Sr. We got our first Ultra Gold insert card here. Looks like Rickey Henderson. Such a nice looking insert. These gold cards are very well done. These are very well done. Nice insert for 1991. These cards are actually in quite good shape, so pretty impressed with how they're coming out of the packs. And Ozzie Smith, another Hall of Famer. Bobby Bonilla. Got the logo stickers. We got Rickey Henderson. This was part of the Great Performances subset. There's I think 7 or 8 cards in that subset. Dennis Eckersley checklist. There, sleeve that up. Oh, we got a Ultra Gold right on top, right below the logo sticker. We got Will Clark. These Ultra Golds they're really nice cards. Too bad the whole set didn't look like this. Would have been a whole different story. It'd be a pretty nice set. A little bit better than just the gray borders top and bottom, I think. And we got Barry Bonds. This is his base card. He's got one of those performance cards, great performances as well. And then a Rickey Henderson. Nice pack. These are nice cards. They're coming out in pretty good shape. This one has a little bit of issue on the edge, on the bottom edge there. Oh, we got another Ultra Gold. This one's Ryan Sandberg. Nice Hall of Famer in the Ultra Gold insert. Surface on these cards looks just amazing. Looks immaculate. Nice sharp corners. These are pretty good. Coming out. Oh, another Ozzie Smith, another Hall of Famer. Nice. White Sox sticker. Now we got Nolan Ryan. This is a base card. He also has one of the great performances cards as well in this set. This one's got a little bit of a corner ding here, but all in all, a nice card. We'll sleeve that up. And then we got Barry Bonds. This is that second card, the great performances. Yeah, here's so we got the base card and then the great performances of Barry Bonds there. Bo Jackson, Bo Knows Baseball. This will be going into the Bo Jackson Master set. I'll just set all these cards aside. Gonna have to do a review on them here of what I have already. See what's in good enough shape to send off for grading to add to the PSA set registry. We got Cal Ripken Jr., Wade Boggs, Doc Gooden, there we go. Ryan Sandberg there. Nice Hall of Fame card. Nice Hall of Famer. Take a look at this one. It's good shape. Throw it in a sleeve. The backs of these cards are quite colorful, which is in quite a contrast to the fronts of them. We got Mark McGuire. Mo Vaughn Prospects card. We got Roger Clemens base card here underneath the sticker. It's got a bit of a corner issue. Oh, we got another Ultra Gold. This is Ken Griffey Jr. there. That's a nice one to have. Looks to be in fairly good shape. Bottom edge kind of has some issues, it looks like. See if we can see that there. Hard to pick up on camera. But all in all, a nice Griffey insert card. Can't go wrong with any of the Griffies. Yeah, Donnie Baseball. Get those sleeved up. Hall of Fame pile. Tony Gwynn. Followed by Randy Johnson. And then Will Clark. Cecil Fielder. And there's Ken Griffey Jr. Nice base card. That's a valuable one. That's a valuable one if we get it in great condition. Looks pretty good. Look how colorful the backs of these cards were. Dale Murphy. Checklist. Sammy Sosa, Sandy Alomar Jr. Tony Gwynn, and then Randy Johnson. This card looks pretty sharp. And we got Mark McGuire here, another move on. Get that McGuire sleeved up. And we got another gold insert. This one's Kirby Puckett. Nice looking card. Sharp corners. Good surface. We got Will Clark, Darryl Strawberry. Cecil Fielder, Steve Sachs. Ken Griffey Sr. Jim Abbott, George Brett, Cecil Fielder, and another gold insert. This one is Bo Jackson. We pulled one of this out of the Pristine Auction mystery box, which was in amazing condition. This one looks pretty good. Might have a bit of a corner issue though, so yeah, it has a bit of a dinged corner there. But a good card for the collection. Robin Yount, Kelly Gruber. There's Jose Canseco, base card. Still looking for that Frank Thomas second year card. Carlton Fisk. Another checklist. Another Greg Maddux. Oh, we got a stuck sticker here. Dave Justice. Another checklist. Greg Biggio. Fred McGriff. And we got another ultra gold insert. Ramon Martinez. And we got Cal Ripken Jr. Nice Hall of Famer. And we got Wade Boggs, Paul Molitor, and a Bo Jackson base card. Nice. Maybe a little bit of whiting there on the edges, followed by Roger Clemens. And we got Barry Bonds, the base card there. And another Rickey Henderson base, and Doc Gooden. There's the Nolan Ryan Great Performances card. Don't have that one. There, looks pretty nice. Getting down to the last few packs here. Need to still find that Frank Thomas. hopefully it's in here somewhere. There we got the Rickey Henderson great performances. And there it is, Frank Thomas. Frank Thomas's second year card. Looks to be pretty good shape. This is a nice looking card. Might have a bit of a issue here with that bottom corner there, but yeah, this pack has some issues on the corners there. That's a shame. And we got another, well, we got Kirby Puckett, followed by another one of the Ultra Gold. Oh, it's another Rickey Henderson. So we got two of those inserts. It's a nice one to have. I do have a pretty extensive Rickey Henderson PC. Add that to it. Last pack, here we go. What do we got? Doesn't look like much, just a base pack. So we'll do a quick recap here. We got a couple Roger Clemens, a couple nice Ozzie Smith, a Kirby Puckett base. We got Cal Ripken, two Cal Ripken Juniors, Ryan Sandberg. We got two of the Mark McGuires, nice Don Mattingly, Jose Canseco, a couple Randy Johnsons, a couple nice Greg Maddux. We got a Nolan Ryan base as well as a Nolan Ryan great performances. And then we got two of the Rickey Henderson base cards as well as two of the Rickey Henderson great performances. Two Barry Bonds, one of the Barry Bonds great performances card, two Bo Jackson base cards for the collection. Then we got Frank Thomas's second year card, and then we got Ken Griffey Jr.'s base card. And then as far as the Ultra Gold inserts, we actually were able to pull 8 of them out of this box. Two Rickey Hendersons, one Ramon Martinez. We got one Bo Jackson, Kirby Puckett, and then Ken Griffey Jr., nice Ryan Sandberg, and a Will Clark. So all in all, pretty good box. I'm happy with it. The cards came out in great condition, so you can't complain about that. Let me know what you guys think of this box. You can pick these up $15-20 probably, a lot of different places. So I think the cards overall, you know, did Fleer do a good job with this so-called premium product. I don't know, the gray borders are a little bit boring by today's standards, but I mean, compared to what was available in '91, you know, maybe not too bad. The Ultra Gold inserts are actually really nice looking card. Actually, a really good insert for the junk wax era. So I'm pretty happy with those. So let me know what you guys think of this product. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. In addition, hit that bell icon and get notifications so you don't miss out on any of our future great content.